I stand in awe of you.
Hey friends, this is I Stand in Awe of You in the key of F. This is a really simple way to chord along to this beautiful song. I hope you have a lot of fun. If you stop the video, if you do click below, I have the link to the chord sheet and it'll make a lot more sense as we dive in. Okay, so let's jump in. We have F, G minor, A, B flat minor, C, and D minor. So don't let that scare you. Let's try to simplify it for you. If you look at this group of 3 black notes, that's where we're going to start with our F chord. The F is to the left of those 3 black notes. Play every other note, F, A, C, and that is our F major chord, okay? All right, move up one set of notes and then pick up this black note in the middle. That's a B flat, so we have G, B flat, D, and that's our G minor chord. And it makes this triangle shape. It has the black note up at the top, 2 white notes down here. Okay, and so just feel what that feels like. I mean, like get a grasp of how that feels in your hand, because we're gonna have that same shape repeated here in a minute. There's our G minor. Move up one set of notes, kind of. Here we go. And there's our A major chord. So we have A, C sharp, E. Again, triangle shape, kind of has the same feel as that G minor a bit, if that helps to think of that chord in that way. Okay, there's our A. Then our B flat is B flat, D, F. Okay. And then when we make it a B flat minor, we move this middle note down to the black note, and now we have B flat, D flat, F. Okay. So again, here's the B flat. And if you want to think of that one like a curve, we have black up at the top, 2 white notes here. Okay, there's that B flat. Minor, you just take the 3rd note and bring it down a half step. So from here to here is a half. And you're going to see this set of chords back to back in the chorus. Otherwise, the B flat's just going to be played by itself the whole song, okay? So there's our B flat minor. Here you go. Kind of has an eerie sound to it. All right, C position is found by the group of 2 black notes. Play every other note. C major chord right there, pretty easy. Okay, and then the last and final chord is D minor. Move up one set of notes. Play D, F, A, and there's our D minor, okay? Left hand is gonna be playing just single notes. So while we're playing chords over here, single notes here. So I encourage you to put pinky on F for this song. Keep these 5 fingers kind of staying put and only open up to play that D. And so here's what it's gonna look like. F to F, G to G minor, A, single note down here to A chord up here, right? B flat, you're gonna pick up that black note with that index finger. C, so you're gonna play that B flat, I should say, when you play the B flat minor or the B flat. You're still gonna play this B flat single note down here, okay? C to C. And then when you play that D minor, just open up that thumb. Don't move your hand out of position. Just open it up and play that D to our D chord, D minor chord over here, okay? All right, so I'm gonna sing through and play through verse 1, and then we'll talk about the rhythm and break it down together.
You are beautiful beyond description. Too marvelous for words, too wonderful for comprehension, like nothing ever seen or heard. Who can grasp your infinite wisdom? And who can fathom the depth of your love? You are beautiful beyond description, majesty enthroned above.
Okay, so let's talk about a little bit of repetition that goes on here in the verse that you see here. There's going to be a series of 3 chords that are kind of repeated over and over, but not necessarily right in order without other chords kind of mixed in. So you're going to see F, B flat, C several different times through that verse. So you might want to just go right hand only, working your way from an F to a B flat to a C, and do that 3 chord progression in that right hand, just getting used to where those 3 chords are located, and get your hand familiar with that before maybe bringing in that left hand, okay? All right, so let's talk about the rhythm of how these two hands are going to come together. This song is written in 4/4 time signature, so there's 4 beats per measure. So how I like to teach that is I go together and then just that right hand. Together, right, together, right. It's called a 1-to-2 ratio. Together, together, right. So let's work through that verse 1. You are beautiful beyond description. Move to the B flat. Too marvelous for, back to the F. Words, stay on that F. Too wonderful for comprehension. B flat, like B flat in the bass too. Nothing ever seen or heard. See? Heard. Who can? Move to the D minor. So this left hand thumb is opening to that D ever so slightly there. And D minor up here. Who can grasp your infinite F wisdom? Who can? B flat. Fathom the depth of your C love. You are F, beautiful beyond description. Majesty, F, B flat. Stand quickly here. C, throned F. Let's work our way into this chorus. So the first 2 lines are the exact same 3 chords, but they're in a different order than I was telling you about in verse 1. So we have F, C, B flat, F, C, B flat. Then it gets probably to the trickiest part of the song, which you're really going to have to just work through right hand only, probably by itself, then left hand only, and then bring those 2 hands together. So let's work through that first 2 lines here. And stand I see. Stand in B flat of you. Repeat. Lord, I F. Stand I C. Stand in B flat of you. Holy. Okay, hear that A chord coming up. So it's a triangle here in our right hand. Holy God, to whom all B flat praises. Minor moves that third finger down. Well, I should say middle note down 1/2 step to this D flat here. Praises due. So let's back it up here so you can see that again, that A to the B flat to the B flat minor. So we go, Holy God, to whom all B flat praises due. You could kind of hang out there. Okay, then pick up the G minor. G minor here. Stand in C. Of B flat. You. And then you can end on the F there if you want, whenever you feel like ending. So I'm going to go through those last 2 lines there because that's probably the very trickiest part of that song. So we're going to go A, B flat minor in Holy God, to whom all praise is due. Holy God, to whom B flat, all praises. Move this finger down to the black note here. Do. Notice how this stayed on that B flat note the whole time. Okay. I stand. G minor is kind of tricky there. Got the black note in the middle. I stand in C. Of B flat. You. Okay. That little outro, you could go through basically it's just doing that same last line over and over a couple different times. So you could do that over and over to kind of give a good ending to your song. Okay. So this one's kind of short in that it had just one verse and then the chorus. So you can kind of loop back through this as many times as you want. I'm going to play it beginning to end. Here you go.
You are beautiful beyond description, too marvelous for words, too wonderful for comprehension, like nothing ever seen or heard. Who can grasp your infinite wisdom? Who can fathom the depths of your love? You are beautiful beyond description, majesty enthroned above. And I stand in awe of you. Lord, I stand